With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello everyone. So in this question it is given that how many of the following combination act as a buffer. So from this combinations of 6 combination are given, we need to find out which one will act as a buffer. So buffer basically is a combination of two. First of all, we should know what is the meaning of buffer. It is basically combination of one weak acid plus its conjugate base. Conjugate base means you can say the salt of that, or it can be vice versa of it. That means weak base plus conjugate acid of that. So this is a big buffer solution, and buffer solution has, what is the property of this buffer solution? Basically it is the solution, or you can say it is a solution which resist change in pH of the solution when slight amount of, or you can say when small amount of acid or base is added to that solution. Acid or base is added to that solution. So this is a buffer. Now if you see first one, we have HCl plus NaOH. So what is this HCl and NaOH? They both are strong acid and strong base, but according to the definition, we want a weak acid conjugate base or weak base plus conjugate acid. So option A becomes incorrect because this is strong acid and strong base. Second option, we have CH3CONa and CH3COH. Basically what happens is CH3COH, that is acetic acid, is a weak acid, and its conjugate base is a salt, that is sodium salt of acetate. So this option is correct. Moving forward to the third one, we have H2SO4 plus Na2SO4. Here again we have a strong acid, so option C becomes, the option third is also incorrect. Then we have fourth one, which is H2CO3 plus NaOH. So here what happens is H2CO3, which is present over here, H2CO3 is a weak acid, and if you consider the reaction of H2CO3 and NaOH, what happens in this case is, fourth one, we have H2CO3 plus NaOH. So when you do the reaction, what we are going to get is, here we will have NaHCO3 formation, NaHCO3 formation plus water molecule. So here this is the weak acid which is present, weak acid, and this is the conjugate base. So our fourth option is correct option. Okay, it can act as a buffer. We have the fifth one, which is Na2B4O7 plus H3BO3. Now, if you see the reaction of this part, that is Na2B4O7, what happens in this case is, we have Na2B4O7 plus H3BO3. So here this part is the weak acid, and this is my conjugate base of that, which is a salt, okay, sodium salt of B4O7. So in this case, this is Na2B4O7 can be prepared by H3BO3 by the method of H3BO3 plus NaOH. When you do the reaction, the 2 moles of NaOH is going to form, here we will have 4H3BO3. Now this will form what? This is going to form Na2B4O7 plus 7H2O. So henceforth we can say this is a conjugate base and it is a weak acid, so this can act as a buffer also. So option 5th is also correct. Now we have the option 5, in which we have ammonium hydroxide plus ammonium chloride. So this basically is what, ammonium hydroxide is a weak base, right? This is a weak base, whereas ammonium chloride is the salt of that base, that is the conjugate acid. So option 6 is also correct. So we have how many buffer present? We have 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 of them can act as a buffer. So correct answer for this question would be option B, that is 4. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.